come up after this, I cook some curry iguana, guys. That one day I go sell out. Remember me tell you. Yeah guys, so watch how I go on in the pot so. So I go on, yeah, what I'm gonna do now, I will light up my stove and I'm gonna sew I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness, you know? Yeah. So now I'm gonna make this, gonna cook, brown, I'll go to call it. You understand, I even not put no water yet, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grate up some coconut, because I use coconut juice, cook me cow foot. You understand, I leave me curry cow foot. I use the coconut juice. So guys, the coconut juice I gonna make it sell off. Guys, just watch what I go on in the kitchen this evening. Me soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna do now. I will grate out the coconut and make it so I go on. You understand, I leave. In the meantime, the pot just start to cook. You understand, I leave. Guys, just watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah. Yeah guys, so what me do? Put a little water on it, then go and cook. You understand, man? Then I go grate out the coconut. So by me done grate out the coconut and squeezing, this supposed to go down. I'll later go on little more water to cook it. And but guys, I go cook it down in the coconut juice anyway, but I have to make the meat cook. You don't know cow food stay already. You understand, man? So guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah guys. Yeah guys, so I go grate out the coconut and I'm gonna see what I've gone. You understand what I did? Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Be a badness. You understand what I did, yeah. That one I go bad, me not lie if you tell you. The cow foot, put down in the coconut juice. Guys, that one I go sell off. Remember me tell you that. Yeah guys, so me have only one piece of coconut leaf. I'm gonna just grate this. I'm gonna see what I'm going. Badness like yeah guys, so finish grate out the coconut now. You understand what I did, yeah. And see the cow foot, you might go and cook. You understand what I did, you don't know where badness go. You have to make the cow foot cook soft. You understand what I did, yeah. So guys, what am I gonna do now? I'm gonna make that go and cook. When me know say yeah, when you don't know when meat cook already, you squeeze the coconut juice and you don't know badness. Guys, just watch Dragon. Also I have a changa. Yeah guys, so you don't know badness, go me have a changa. I go use my changa in a me cow foot, in a me curry cow foot. You understand me I did, yeah. Me that look butter bean, but I don't get any butter beans, so I say I go hold a changa and put in it. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen, I be a badness. You don't know a badness set up already. You understand me I did. Yeah, so what am I going to do now? I'm going to just squeeze out my coconut, strain it off, and I'm going to see what I go on. I'm going to put in my coconut juice as it. I make the meat go and cook, and when the meat cook, I put my coconut juice. Guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. Me soon come back. Yeah guys, so I put some more water before my coconut juice. You understand what I did? Guys, that one I go bad. Just stay tuned and watch what I go on in the kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah. Soon come back. Guys, I don't know say cow foot is a tough thing to cook naturally. So I go on in the pot, yeah. Guys, just watch what I go on. You have to cook. You understand what I did? Yeah, you have to cook. So watch what I go on in the kitchen. I be a badness. You don't know things set up already. You understand what I did? Yeah. Guys, that one I go bad. Cow foot and rice. You understand what I did? Yeah, guys. So you don't know badness go already. Yeah, guys. So me light up a rice pot. Me not go cook no whole heap of rice. Just a small amount of rice. You understand what I did? Yeah. So I go look on the meat. Also, I go on the meat now. You see, guys, still tough. You understand what I did? Yeah. Meat of is soft. You understand what I did? Of is soft. So before me put my coconut milk, I go put a little bit more water. Guys, you don't have to worry about the season. You understand what I did? So when me finish, when the meat cook now, me finish seasoning him up with the finishing cook with my coconut milk, and you don't know badness, guys. So I go put a little bit more water make him go and cook. Cause you don't know me and my coconut juice. The coconut juice I go finish cook. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, just watch what go on in the kitchen. See my rice pot. Yeah, me just put on the rice pot, the water not hot yet. So you don't know badness go, guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I put some more water in the pot. So me know say this a water, yeah, and the coconut milk I go cook it. You understand what I did? Yeah. Cause the more you cook, the meat I get softer, the gravy I get thicker. You understand what I did? So I have to add water for the meat cook. So guys, just stay tuned and watch what go on in the kitchen. Be a badness. Yeah guys, so put in my rice and now. So I go on in the pot. Rice I go and cook. Guys, at the rice, you know, so sometimes you buy rice, some of them, the grain them black. You understand what I did, yeah. So guys, just watch what go on in the kitchen tonight. Be a badness. Look over yasso. Yeah. You see what go on yasso? You see as me tell you, you meat a cook you now. You understand what I did? So me know say by this you go down and me put in my coconut milk and yeah right. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, watch what go on in the kitchen. If the pot go and cook. Soon come back guys. Yeah guys, so I go so I go on for the meat pot here now. Whoa, it smell good guys. Me not lie if you tell you. Well meat want cook still. You don't know. When you see Falk stick up in it, you know say I cook him a cook. Aye. You understand what I did? Guys, just watch what I go on. Meat soon cook. See my rice. Yeah. Guys, be a badness in the kitchen. Remember me tell you. Soon come back. Guys, so I go on over here so. Want the meat, want to cook. So till the meat a drop off my bone. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, that's what me I look for. Guys, just know what's not a be a badness in the kitchen said we. You understand me I did? My rice, I can't look off the stove and now my rice finish cook. Some rice white and pretty guys and shelly. Yeah, you don't know badness go already. The guys, meat a cook. See that? Yeah guys, so what I gonna do now, I gonna add my coconut juice cause my meat cook. You see that? Guys, me not lie if you tell you meat cook. Honestly, you. So it's soft, yeah. So I gonna do now, add in my coconut juice. And do some I did watch it. This me I tell you about. So by me add in my coconut juice and make my coconut juice cook down with this, you don't know everything good. You understand me I did all this a soft like a wow. Go easy for I go through you. See that? Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. And the finishing look I come up now. You understand me I did? Yeah. Cow foot and rice. Yeah, and in my cow foot, I put a chunk of peas. You understand me? I go put some more seasoning. So you don't know season when it gone cook out already. Everything gone in I meat, so I go put some more ground season and a next Maggi tube. Guys, I don't know a badness setup. So stay tuned for the finishing look. I soon come back. So guys, I put in my coconut milk. What am I gonna do? I go put in some season, salt. Guys, I'm gonna just season up my pot and make it go and cook and I go see what I go on. So watch what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah guys, so I put in the rest of season, ground season, put in my coconut juice. So you don't know about badness go. Make it go and go down. Go down so more me put in my changa peas. You understand what I did? Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Don't know badness going in the kitchen already. And my rice over there so don't cook already. You understand what I did? Yeah. So be a badness there so guys. Soon come back. Guys, me not lie if you tell you. If you don't know if you cook then cow ya, then kick out your teeth. Believe that. You hear me say if you don't know if you cook then cow ya, then cow kick out your teeth by your quint. So guys, then cow have to well cook. You see that what you? The only thing them I talk about guys, cow will have something way hard to cook. You understand what I did? Guys, me not lie. That one a bad though, me not lie if you tell you. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. Me not put in my changa peas yet. Don't know about badness go. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna put in my changa peas now. You understand how it's me cut it. So I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna see what I go on. Understand how it. So I go on over here so. So guys, this I go and cook down now. You understand how I did? Yeah. So guys, I go see it when in at the plate. You understand how I did guys? Yeah, me soon come back. Show you the finishing look. Hey guys, so this is the finishing look. I'm a rice, I'm a cow foot. Guys, I'm gonna tell you again, if you don't know if you cook cow foot, you kick out your teeth. Yeah, believe that. And guys, remember, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Click that notification bell as a video drop, you have it. I'm out guys. And when you drop a comment and tell me how me cow foot and my changa peas look with my white rice. You understand what I did? Yeah guys, I'm out. See you in our next video.